What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. As you can see, we managed to be at a RIDEOUT right now, somewhere out here in Mexico City. Okay, she killing it. Look at this. Woo! Hey! Let's go. Look at my girl. Look at my girl. Sheesh. It sucks though because like I'm on my sport bike and she's on her dirt bike, so I can't wheelie. I'm not there yet, guys. I'm not there yet. It is really beautiful out here today, guys. I really hope that you guys can hear me. I hope there's not a lot of wind. Let's go. We all out here. Let's go. We lit. We lit. Let's go. Woo! Sheesh. My boy killing it. Woo! Hey, that's great. That's great, bro. I can't wait to get there. I cannot wait, bro. Let's go. That shit quiet as hell. Let's go. Bro, I cannot wait, guys, to start stunting, bro. Sheesh. Let's get it. Sheesh. Okay. This is what we love to do, guys. This is what we love. I love riding around, everybody cool with each other. Sheesh. Look at that. The 701. Yo, the graphics kit on that is dope. Let's go. Let's go, ground boy. Let's go. Sheesh. Yes, sir. Let's get it. Sheesh. Yes, sir. Yo, I see people wheelie those things. Just a little, just a little. I gotta get warmed up on this though. I'm not the best. Look at all these people though. We outside. Look, she's a lot better than me, alright? It's her bike. I can't dominate her bike like she does. I try though, I try. Let's go. Woo. Okay. Let's go. Woo. Repping that DRZ right here, let's get it. Let's go. Boy, got the damn stunt cage and everything on that thing. Sheesh. Sheesh. Look how slow. That's that control. Let's get it. Look at this dude, bro. Look at this. Look at this shit. Sheesh. That's crazy. That look like he's falling, bro. That's crazy. MTL7, let's get it. Woo! Yes, sir. God damn. Sheesh. Let's Let's go. That shit looks so clean. Go, 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 go. All the way. Do it. All the way. Let's go. Let's go. Shoo. Ah. Let's go, Forrest. Let's go. Shoo. Okay. Let's go. It's crazy. There's a lot of people here. Yo, this thing is wild, bro. Oh my god. Sheesh. That was almost a wipeout right there. We're just having fun. You gotta get one. Oh, you got one? Go get it. Come with us. Thank you, man. Have a good one. Man, I wish I had a 636, bro. Jesus Christ. That's wild. That's wild. Sheesh. Look at all these people, bro. That's wild. Let's go. Let's get it. Look at this dude with his scooter. Let's go. Sheesh. Okay. That's crazy, bro. That's a scooter. Damn. Yeah, he's still whipping it. Look at little man. Look at little man. Let's go. Let's go. Wildin', bro. Let's get it. Sheesh. Let's go. KTM, let's go. Sheesh. I miss my KTM. Let's go, let's go. You got it. Woo, yes sir. Let's get it. Woo. Yeah, I feel so left out, guys. I'm not even willing, bro. Let's go. Another scooter, let's get it. Yo, people got skills out here, bro. Look at the cop. He got to be so tight right now. Sheesh. Let's go. Yo, the control this boy has, that's crazy. I'm telling you, man, there's some skills out here. Let's go. Sheesh. It's too easy. Look at that control, bro. That is just crazy. Wow. Well, it ain't the whole pack, but we still out here. I don't know where they going now though. A couple people already left. That's what happens in these ride-outs. People break apart. Let's see where we going now. It's pretty crazy how these people get together and do this, to be honest. But this is all we want to do, just ride. We just want to ride. Look at this shit. We about to get pulled on. It's been hot all day, so it's all good. We about to cool off.
12 seconds later.
Well, guys, yeah, we got rained on. We got rained on, guys. We on our way back to the spot where we have our truck. I'm soaked, man, but it was a good ride. It was fun. A lot of people, a lot of talent out here. It was a good time. It's all good vibes, always. But that's it for today's video, you guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you guys liked everything. Comment down below if you see yourself in the video. Hit me up on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. It's Mr2Moto. Until next time, guys, stay tuned for more videos. We out.